How to solve error time limit exceeded in contests of CodeForces. Very important video. Subscribe to the channel to reach every important videos we upload in the channel, and press like and share the video with others. Thank you. So let's go to the online compiler, which is this is a contest. First, this is a contest for CodeForces, and I have this for the second contest respectively. Time limit exceeded on test 48, and the time limit exceeded on pre-test 1. So let's check this one, the newest one first. So this is a problem. This is a problem, okay. And my solution. This is the solution. Yeah. So when you check the solution, you will find loops. These loops, you should there are many loops. The first loop, this one, okay, and there is another loop. So you have to optimally think to decrease the number of turns or the number of loops if there are nested loops, or you can avoid the many turns in the loop by decreasing and give it the optimal steps or turns only to do. So you have to think to overcome the exceed of time error. You have to decrease the number of loops or number of turns inside loops or the nested loops to overcome this situation. And if you watch this or see the here, time is 2000 milliseconds, and we have time limit per test just 2 seconds. So it's overcome or exceed the 2 seconds, which are more than 2000 milliseconds add in the solution. This is a big problem. We will not take any result or degrees or evaluation about this problem. The second one is this one. This is older one, so we can check it here. You will find also loops, and here this is the loop, and it exceeds also on time. The time limit exceeds the time allowed for this solution. So thanks for watching the video, and share the video with others. If you are there, if you have any questions, ask, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.